All right, first day of the challenge, baby. So with this challenge, we are going to stay disciplined. We are going to pretty much it's what it is. It's discipline. Oh, wait till 9:30 to trade. So discipline. Wait till 9:30 to trade. Follow trading plan, which is also part of discipline. So yeah, so if I don't see a setup and it doesn't match up with what I like to do not take the trade. So like right now, I'm looking at the market. It's 7 a.m. and I'm not tempted to trade right now, which I don't need to be. So it's so early, yo. Our work is like, people usually, when they do trade, they off of work, or they got a job, they trade when they off work. I actually trade when I'm at work. Like I have like an hour and a half gap kind of really to like trade, because I work with my dad. And we do flooring, Chucko flooring. You can see our TikTok. We got a lot of videos, but it's a lot of construction work, doing floors and stuff. So can't take really a lot of time off, but during that time, I be feeling like I have to take a trade mentally because I don't have a lot of time, and it's like I be forcing myself into trades, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to be patient and just watch what the market wants to do and let it be it. We just got to the first house. Well, the house that we're working at. Pops right there. Market's still been moving, like it's been going up like crazy still. I was so tempted to get in. Like imagine if I was in that trade, like I didn't, like I said I would earlier. Like I wanted to, and I said I would. That trade, I would have been up like 2-3% right now. Ooh wee. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait till my 9:30 comes, then take position. Be smart about it. No gambling at all, you know. Before I go in there, loud. So we got seeing this whole house. I don't know if I put the video on there yet or recorded on here on this phone, but I gotta take out all that laminate out that one room. It's wood underneath it, and then we're gonna sand underneath that floor too. Market's open 30 minutes, so I'm trying to get as much as I can done before the market opens. It's 9:30. Market is all open. USD market is falling, so I definitely do have CAD playing up, but as of right now, I don't know what the market wants to do because it is Monday, so I don't want to rush into any trades or make any mistakes. The reason right now my hotspot isn't trying to work. Oh my gosh, my CAD trade took off. I don't want to force them to a trade though. That's the last thing I want to do. I'm on trading outside, I do feel good like outside, but what I see here, if it goes above this area right here, we know that it's broken this resistance, and the next area of support resistance would be right here in this area. As you can see, it tapped there so many times, so this is where I'll play to if it bounces and beat this area. Came outside to do these trades, so stock market is definitely falling right now, so CAD is definitely gonna be bouncing up. Guys, we're in the trade. I think it's a good trade. Pretty confident. So my emotions is like like I'm there, but it's also kind of like because it's my first trade of the challenge, so you want your first trade to be like good. So I'm down $147, of course, because when you go in, you're gonna start off and draw down, but I think this is a good trade. I'm gonna show you. It's respecting this man zone, so this will be my stop, but I got it right here. You see my line, that's profit right there. So once you go above, I got us playing too. Let me go to my trading view chart. Stock market's down also. I got this playing down to this zone right here, then maybe to this zone. CAD, I have CAD playing all the way up pretty much. It's up here, but probably to the next price target, which is up here. It can go to all the way up here. So I'm gonna let it play and let it watch to see what happens. As you can see right now, we're going to that zone. So I feel pretty confident straight. We are in profit, so we're gonna let this thing play. right here that I said was gonna hit to the T. Let's see if it holds and go past this. All right, guys, so look like we might get stopped out because I got my stop right here, and it's look like it's trying to reverse on me. Close position. I just took out. I don't like the way this looks, obviously, so I'm not going to be in. Next news coming at 10 o'clock. Don't like I want to get in straight profit when I trade, and it's like something's always happening. It don't ever happen. Oh my goodness. Part of me is like I should have held it because it didn't go past my wick, and then this happened. But then it's like, I don't know. Confirmation for real for me is if we go past it. So, all right, we're in our next play. We're in a short. As you see, it broke the below. So let's get a chance so we can get to this fall. I like this TP right here, and we can get one shorter. Got in the position, bro. I didn't think the news was that big, and look at that. And I was up like 800 bucks. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm done for the day. That's 7 grand I lost in a day. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. That is ridiculous. Holy crap. We're still waiting. We're still in. We're down. But it's a high buy. I see it. Momentum of it. So, still waiting patient for it. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. I like that. Keep it going, baby.
Let's go.
This plays to like I want to. It's a 350 point trade. But I'm gonna really go back to work. And I'm gonna put my stop in. I'm gonna trellis. So I like the high possibility. I got the market to play up here. As you can see, the market has been up here so many times. So that's where I have the market playing up to. It played above this right here, so this is a continuation. Stock market is coming down to drop to this zone, then next to this zone. As you can see, it's falling. So we in 2 positions. I got down when I first started. This trade should make it back up, plus a little bit more. So update, still in the trade. I'm working. I'm gonna show you where I did get in at. The lines where I got in, that's where the trade's at. Look like it's forming a bullish flag. So I'm still hold my trade. I gotta learn to hold. What am I doing? Learn to hold. So yeah, it's doing exactly what I wanted to do. Playing up, like it. So then I'm gonna move my stop up once it go higher. But yeah, overall this trade, me holding it, I'm more nervous the more I see it. Look at it. It was up here. I was up at 98,000. For I should have took profit, and I've been down like 2,000 per day, not even a whole 1%. But I'm gonna still hold until it breaks this pivot. And if it breaks it, then I'm out the trade. I gotta follow my trading plan to be disciplined. So, all right, let's see if it's retest right here. If not, we ready to take out. Okay, look like it's a retest. Retest right there to play back up. That's what it looks like. Let's get that push back up. Yes, sir. All right, I've been holding. So I think I'm gonna take out. I'm only gonna be down like 2,000, which I'm okay with. I just don't like the way this is. Well, it's still going, but I mean, I could hold. So I'm gonna pull up my screen so you guys see better. Look at that. So I'm now moving my pivot up. Oops.
So, but you can't say you was just making 50. I was by choice to make $15 an hour. It was oh yes I am. I had to go back on my mom. I lost everything. So no, it's a concept. I tell you, because I've been there.
So I closed. I'm not mad for real. I closed with. I was down 2,000, which ain't even a full 1%. But when I try to take out, it dropped a little bit further. I'm looking at the U.S. markets are retracing back up. Also, I'm working, so I want to pay attention to the charts. So I'm down almost a full 1%, but not a whole 1%. Plus, when you got commissions and fees, so that's what's got it. It's close to that 1%. Because commission is like $250. So, I mean, their fees. So, pretty much, I'm down. I'm at $27,000 and like $400. I should be at like 28, but commission. So, it's alright. Maybe come back tomorrow. The trade that I did happen. I would have made $6 grand, which was 2% today, but it's all right. So I'll see you guys. I'll probably show you guys something in the house when I get done, but then I'll see you guys in a minute, and I'm gonna do chart overwork. You see, ladies and gentlemen, this is how dusty it gets when I work. I should have put this up. I forgot. Look how much dust you make, bro. Oh. Oh god, I just washed my hands. But here's the floor. Floor looks good. It was this, but we took it off. Looks good, honestly. We're gonna make it a dark walnut floor. Look at my hands. Look at my do-rag. Alright guys, so we were trying to stain the floor. They want to go with that dark color, dark walnut on the floor, but I got work at the airport at 6. I think if you don't know, man, get a job at the airport. Free flights, get to travel, especially if you want to be a trader. I work like a minimum 3 hours. I know every airport is different, but like when you work at the airport, get your free flights. Go what you gotta do, explore. Go on a weekend trip, go on a day trip, use your benefits. See what part you wanna live in, what motivates you, keep you going as a trader. So that's where I gotta go at 6. So I think my dad's gonna come back and stay on the floor. But we kinda far. This house we at is kinda far. I wish I had time to show y'all my charts a little bit, but I gotta rush to go work at the airport. But my friend Cap from Miami, he took the same trade I took, but I told him to wait for news, and I went and traded before news like a dummy. But he made 1.5%, so I ain't mad about it. He did his thing. I'm actually happy for him. I'm happy my strategy works. Proven over and over again. Just stay disciplined. Trade after red folder news. That's the next thing. So that's my key point. Trade after red folder news. Did a whole 10-hour shift, and I'm gonna go do a 5-hour shift. Well, 4.5. I get off like 10:30. Then after that, I gotta go to the gym, then come home, and then do some of these videos. Alright, just got off work at the airport. As you can see, March Madness, watching a little bit of the game. Now, still gotta go to the gym, then go home, eat. This is wild. This day is just wild. Still gotta go with chart work and all of that. It's a lot, you know, but it's the things you gotta do to be successful. You gotta take a day at a time. Sometimes you gotta play the game to win the game. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna be too long on you guys, so let's head to the gym. It is currently 11:56. We are in the gym. Still, I'm tired, bro. Still gotta go home and eat. Things you gotta do. Discipline. I gotta be consistent. Discipline. Going to the gym. I told you this will go onto the charts. Guys, I'm so tired. But I'm gonna do this one more set, and then I'm gonna go home. And boom.